So let's create our new file. So a new drawing, and we want it to be AutoCAD. So yeah, that's fine, and that's okay. Let's just open that. Now we have different tabs here. We've got a previous session here. We've got a new one there. What we need to do here is once again, check our drawing units. So for this one, it should be. We press on it. Should be in millimeters, perfect, and press OK. Special units, international, yeah, units international, I reckon. Right, so what we're going to do first, we're going to create a few layers. So we're going to create one layer called external walls. We're going to create another layer called internal walls. And we're going to create one more layer called doors and windows. Okay, so we've got these three layers. Now for the external walls, we want to have we're going to put them as block red. Okay, and we want the line weight to be 0.3 because the thickest. Continuous line, that's fine. For internal walls, we're gonna set it up as green. Press OK for that, yeah. And we want it to be 0.15 in thickness. And then for doors, we will do them in a blue color. So that will be the thinnest one at 0.09. Okay, so we've set up our layers here. We've got three layers, so let's start drawing. If we want to create an external wall, let's say. Actually, before we start drawing, we're going to do something. We will bring in our previous drawing. Now, the reason we're going to bring in the previous drawing is for reference. So if we put xref and we press enter, right? We have the ability to, press here, attach a DWG. And our drawing is the AutoCAD master drawing that we had here. We're going to open it up and it's going to tell us, right, so what scale do we want it? We want it 1:1, same scale as it was before. We want it to be an attachment, we want it to be in millimeters, and an insertion point we're specifying on screen. We don't have to specify on screen, we can have it as in the origin or whatever, but we want to specify on screen for now. We press OK. So what it's going to do is it's going to let us specify where to add it. We want to add it here. So if we go back, we added it there, and we press zoom E. There we go. We've got it here. That's our reference point, and that's our thing here. Now, what does that say? Well, if you can see here, we've also imported all of the layers that we had from there. They're all unlocked. What we can do is, if we go here into the master thing, and we can detach it, or we can have a type of it, we can attach it or overlay it or whatever. We can also look at the details of it, and we can, if we lose the path of it saved somewhere else, we can change the path for it. So create a new path or find and replace and so on and so forth. So xrefs are really, really, really good. And if we go into our layer properties, you see that if we look at all of our non-xref layers versus our xref layers, we can select between them. And our xref layers, what we want to do is just hide all of our xref layers. All non-xref layers, there we go. So doors and windows, that's what external walls. And everything that's not in there, we want to hide it to begin with. And then we want to know what information do we want. Do we just care about the side, right? So the only thing we care about, we want the side. So if we open this one, it's gonna showcase, or should at least showcase the side. Let's just zoom E. Buildings area. Yep, that should have been. Oh, we have to reload this. So we have to refresh. If we refresh this and then we zoom extends, reload. Okay. Alright, well, let's reattach this again. Okay, specify extension here. So next step, it's right there. Alright, so we've got that. Right, okay, so we want to reveal the layers. Yeah, I should be able to reveal all layers now if we select all of them. Control A and reveal all the layers. There we go. Now it's working. No idea why it wasn't working beforehand. But again, yeah, we want to just keep these ones open. Oh yeah, so all used layers, non-xref layers. So we're going to be on external walls. So what we want to do is we just want a reference of this. So we're going to go back here, and the xref ones we are going to lock. So we do it because we don't want to interact with them. We don't care about them. So we're going to go into the layers here on the used layers. Non-xref layers, sorry. I'm going to external walls and we're going to start drawing. Now we know where our side is, we're going to start drawing on it. So let's first draw a little line on external walls. Actually, what we're going to do is we will rotate our north to be in line with this, so it's a lot easier for us to draw. What we're going to do that is we will use our ortho line here and create a line. Which is on now, perfect. And just create a line there.